Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Keychron Q6 mechanical keyboard. A premium offering from Keychron that promises robust build quality and a unique typing experience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The Keychron Q6 sports a sleek, industrial look with its aluminum case, giving it a premium feel that stands out. Whether you prefer the classic carbon black or opt for the navy blue or space gray variants, this keyboard exudes sophistication. In terms of build quality, the Q6 is built like a tank. It features a steel plate under the keycaps and a solid aluminum top and bottom case, resulting in a keyboard that's incredibly sturdy with zero flex. If durability is a priority for you, the Q6 certainly delivers. Typing on the Keychron Q6 is a pleasure, thanks to its Gateron G Pro switches. I tested the Q6 with Gateron G Pro Brown switches, known for their tactile feedback without being overly noisy, making them suitable for both work and gaming. The keycaps are made from double-shot PBT plastic, which feels substantial and contributes to a satisfying typing experience. The keyboard also features screw-in stabilizers that ensure larger keys like the spacebar feel secure and responsive. When it comes to performance, the Keychron Q6 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate in wired mode, ensuring minimal input lag and making it suitable for competitive gaming. The wireless Q6 Max variant drops to 90 Hz in wireless mode but still offers solid performance. Customization options are abundant with the Q6. It supports Keychron's QMK firmware, allowing for extensive remapping of keys, creation of macros, and customization of RGB lighting effects. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore enthusiast, you'll find plenty to tweak to your liking. In conclusion, the Keychron Q6 is undeniably a top-tier mechanical keyboard with its premium materials, robust build, and versatile performance. However, whether it's worth the significant price hike over other models like the Keychron V6 is a subjective decision. If you prioritize durability, aesthetics, and extensive customization options, the Q6 could be your perfect match. That wraps up our review of the Keychron Q6 mechanical keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.